the villagers. One giant destroyed all the villagers died except for the six heroes. They are red. He's the only one to notice because his friend at the base. If we knock out the alarms, will go and yellow will gonna go, and the best fourth is gonna go, and the strongest duo will gonna go. He's fight the Titan. I just saw Titan. Punch the Titan. Punching. Like a punching bag. The Titan stop his fight. Let me see. And she's got shown by the air. But get shown by the air. But get shown. The little Titan was no life left. There is a little meat piece on the ground. Because there's a hand in the ground. It's the second Titan hand what died from them. The Titan trying a revenge from it, but it's taking the hand for me. It was the purple Titan trying to take off it. And the lights off. And yellow need to go because it's his turn. The yellow run as fast as he can. Now it is Titan. He almost cried because the family is there, but he said, I'm a hero. I had to save my family. It was so bad. Joey out of the map. And their giant Kong and Nick Arnold. You know what the scene to the happened? But the fight was so heavy. But the fight was so they're the enemy base. Because they're showing to the video. Because this secret base that entered by the Titan. If you kill him, you manage to. It's full of enemies. Stop the video. I'm sorry I moved here a while. Watch show for life. Okay, and back to the place. Let me just.
Inabangan mo yung kay titang di ba? Yung malapot.
Ay, wag na lang po.
Ha? Yung malapot. Yung
Thanks.
Yung dance.
Stop. I don't like
Wala na dyan. Lagyan mo na dyan. Matapon sa higaan. Mariusip. Matapon sa higaan. Hindi na kasi siya tumayo. Pag naalog yung inuupuan mo, tapos nakatabing yan, tapon lahat yan. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-ugulo yan. Ano na to?
the giant head activity. But the best fort go to the base. Conquer the fall. Like 10 seconds. They fight. Think the Titan. The oldest god. They fight it. It's not much. The world of them.
Di ba kasi ito hindi na kinain sa mga bahay ko sa may nagaan?
Was amazing. But one of them survived. Kangaroo. The kangaroo guy was surviving. the big explosion took the map. A kangaroo, baby, the ace,
Yun ang mga takip.
and the ace.
Tapon yung sabaw ha.
Says ordered
Tapon?
to order Iran fastest as he can. They need to be slow because to the ay mama may ano
Sean?
Said,
Oo, may pila pala may ano.
it was kinda heavy
Sino kayong
out
pinag
there,
yata?
but he still did it, so he managed to
Tuloy yung si
fall
Sa
at the
mga ganyan din.
hospital. Once there was the best duo of all time.
Dali, pati yung plastic kinubo.
Go now.
Rumian pa eh. Stay. Sukatan ka na.
The best duo can do now. The best duo we're gonna do now. Name Black and the funny white. They'll sit for a while when the storms, the alarms start to go. They panic because they have to get to the nice and station. And that they do his best known. But
Ayan, pinili yan.
all
Binigay
they
lang
all
yan.
broke his bone. But his best friend repaired
Bakit?
it.
May inaabot na naman
And
kasi.
to the airline because it's a magnetic.
Pati hindi
And-
ka dito.
He got a second life.
Ano, sa labas?
He got
Nagano
this
na ba sa
katana. He got this katana. Katana.
Kapag?
It's an energy rifle. They went crazy after that. And they were gonna go to the Titan right there. And they teleport front of him. They make a challenge to him. He take off the bridge and do this and the fight will gonna start now.
Hindi pala.
This guy will only sit because he's gonna shoot the
Ang
Titan.
data, ang Argentina mo.
Shoot the Titan. And the one that the white is gonna eat because show us. They talk for a while. Now we're gonna leave.
Hindi na mapapanis yan.
Woke up now. When this guy jumped to him and throw his knife at him. And they
Huwag mo na, huwag mo na, huwag
stole
mo na.
his eye. Stole his eye. But
Mukhang ano ko siya.
to him.
May ibabalik yung kutsara sa ano nga. Tikim mo sabi, hindi ko sinabing laman eh.
Was so
Ano, matamis na ba? Matabang pa.
Tabang.
Huwag mo nang ibalik. Isa pa injured.
He's inside. Inside.
Bukas pa ako ng ano, kandero. Hindi talaga. Kailanganin tayo sa kusip. Hindi pa nga naubos pati ang anong ano sa biro.
That Joe
Yun na eh.
and his best friend. Okay, he said on okay, I'm gonna go fight. And the black stab him
Huwag mo
injured.
na, huwag mo na. Kasi
Finish him now.
Yan.
Goodbye.
Tatapos yan lahat.
Goodbye, best friend. I will gonna die now. He's going to die. He's ready. He's ready.
Ay, di ko pa nalalagay ito, mama. Mamaya na anak.
He's always ready for
Nakaraan, di ba, mama?
Antay
Walo lang kaya.
with the Titan.
Ay, dalawang ano pala kasi.
The Titan Titan. O, dalawa yung ano, parang frog and the Titan.
At napulpaso.
He's back.
Ano,
He's
support
back.
salad ka sa
Because he should display
dalawang punto yung kasi. Magkakti, kaya talagang
No, there's
kasi sukulputak lang. Isang malaki lang yung inano mo.
The Titan is exploding. And this friend is kinda injured. But this one is a lot of the Titan survived. By that and the Titan but is managed to explode to his base. And he needed to spend to the hospital. In the hospital, from both of them was going intense. Once there was here a nuke.
Ka na kasing.
Here
Hindi
a
ka lang
nuke.
ng peso na maliit. Yung nakalagay sa...
So scared, but the world spins too fast.
Oo, 18 cheese.
Listen,
Ano lang, naka-plastic lang.
Oo, yun nga. Yung sa chill lang.
Dalawang biling ko na.
Isa lang. Hinihiwain lang siya ng maliliit. Hindi mo naman kailangan marami.
100 na. Bobo, pasobra!
Kurang nga lang yun. Uy, wala pa ng 30 yun eh. Ganyan mo na. Ano pa ako ng yaw? Di ba ba? Di ba? Balik ka. Tikman mo sana baka kulang.
they're ready for the fight.
Kasi dalawang ano siya.
They do a backflip in front of everyone. All my scars. Save his life. The new
Ano
Titan
pala na ilang pinig mo? Oo, green.
exploded was him. It was a trap.
Colorful ang ano.
Yes,
Kaya sabi ko kaya kukunin kong ano.
It
Red.
died because the doctor said
Sabi ko,
the
may puti na ako. Yung
earth
nakaagi red ang ginamit ko.
explode.
Ay, green.
From the
Red
air.
naman mo yan mukha ko.
He survived.
Naalala ko may green ako na gelatin.
I need to go up.
Diba? Di, kung
The
darang
race
kula,
was on the top.
kurado, karoon na may na ano, para
Climb.
pantay.
And to the teleporting position because I defeat the Titan. And those says I shoot the Titan.
Kaya ako dahil makas siya. Hindi nga.
And the Titan revived. And the Titan revived to its original position. And everyone stunned. All his teammates was shocked to this news. They said Kangar the best duo should defeat because they're the strongest. That one said, "Yes, I can defeat it. I'm into the white says." But
Isi-chin-chin lang.
But,
Makaroni.
but White said I can still do it. POV Titan. The battle was really intense. They shoot. One is shoot out of the ice. And we managed to get it back. Power get from the pistol. But they accidentally stabbed by her friend.
Hindi ko pala na-info ko kasi
Accident.
sila.
Right here.
Anak ko pa na
It was so sad because he used to fight the Titan. He died and twice
na lang.
was it? I'm still Sit right
Ako pa
here.
yung ipinapulbura sa nasalanod da. Ano yun, ma? Anong Sa Iman? Madali pa siya ano.
I said, oh shit. I
Ayan ko na,
was so
ang
far.
Oh, minalong so. Buko.
I'm gonna die.
Sabi ko kanina dalawa.
This item.
Ha?
To get this. And
Madali ako dyan. Ha?
to get the blade.
Hindi na ako naluluto doon. Pangit doon, kuya. Kailangan naka-steamer talaga siya.
Wait for
yan.
two.
namin.
Naku. Alasay. Ha?
Ano, nakaupad ka na naman anak. Nagbablog yung anak mo.
Asan